This video is going to be about Book 3, page 39. There are some story problems there, and I wanted to show you how to set these up. We're going to start with number 16 at the top of page 39. One number is 17 less than another number. The sum of the two numbers is 129. What are the numbers? Okay, you don't know what the numbers are. One of them is 17 more than the other, okay? So we're going to start out by saying, okay, I don't know what the first number is, so I'm going to make that x. And then the other one is 17 more than x. And then it says the sum of the numbers is 129. So that means I'm going to add up the numbers. This is the first number, this is the second number. I'm going to add them up. So I'm going to say x plus 17 is equal to 129. So now I just solve for x. So x plus x is 2x plus 17 equals 129. I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides, and I get 2x equals 211. Okay, that's 2x. And then I divide both sides by 2. I get x equals 56. Okay, so that's one of the numbers. So one of the numbers is 56. The question was, what are the numbers? So one is 56. That would be x, and then x plus 17. So 56 plus 17 is 73. So those would be my two numbers. All right, so moving on, a total of 360 people came to the play. There were 100 more adults than children. How many adults and how many children came to play? So you had a total of 360. There were 100 more adults than children. So you don't know how many children there were, but you know that the adults was whatever the children were plus 100. So this is the children. This is the children plus adults, is whatever the children was plus 100. How many adults and how many children? So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to say x plus 100, because that's children, adults, and all together we had 360. Now we're going to solve just like we did the other one. Okay, subtract 100 from both sides. 260, divide by 2, 130. Okay, so 130 tells us 130 children. So 130 children, and how many adults were there? Add 100. So, and all together there's 360. So that is your final answer. Whoops, adults. There you go. All right, so just make sure when you answer a story problem that you answer the question. The question was, how many adults and how many children came out to play? So you say, how many adults, how many children? And then you check it. You see if your answer makes sense. If a certain number is added to 24, so a certain number, we don't know what that is, but we do know that it was added to 24. The result is a clue for an equal sign. The result is the same as if the number were multiplied by 3. So this number multiplied by 3 would be equal to that number added to 24. So now again, you're going to solve for x. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. I'm going to get 24 equals 2x, 12 equals x. Now, if that's the case, the question is, what is the number? Okay, it looks like the number is 12, so let's check it out. 12 plus 24 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36. So it checks out. That's the answer for number 18. A woman is 6 years older. A woman is 6 years older than 3 times her daughter's age. We don't know what her daughter's age is, so we're going to call that x. And the woman is 6 years older than her daughter. Wait a minute. 3 times her daughter's. I was going to say, she can't be 3 years older than her daughter. So think about what you're reading and read it over several times if you have to. 6 years older than 3 times her daughter's age. So take her daughter's age, multiply by 3, and add 6, because it's 6 more than 3 times. Their ages total 46. Okay, so this is the lady's age, and the daughter's age is X. And then it says, their ages total 46. So if I add the daughter's age plus the mother's age, together they make 46. So 4x plus 6 equals 46. 4x equals 40. X equals 10. So it looks like the daughter is 10. So if the daughter is 10, the mother would be 30 plus 6, which is 36. So daughter is here. Mom is 36, and it looks like that makes sense. So you test it out and make sure. Like if I put 10 here, plus 30 plus 6, together they equal 46, and it does check out. All right? And then you want to make it clear. So the paper that I'm looking at right now just has 10 and 46. You want to say 10 is the daughter's age, and 36 is the mother's age. And make sure that you label your answers. Always in story problems, you're answering questions, and you always want to label the answers. So the next one is number 20, is the sum of 3 numbers is 109. So you know that when you add the numbers together, they equal 109. The second number is 3 more than the first number. So the first number, we'll just let that be X. And the second one is 3 more than the first. The third number is 4 more than the second. So 4 plus 3 plus X. What are the numbers? Okay, so those are my numbers. X, 3 plus X, and 4 plus 3 plus X. Now I can combine that to 7 plus X. So I'm going to combine them all. X plus 3 plus X plus 7 plus X equals 109. And now I'm going to solve for X. So 2X, nope, that's going to be 3X plus 10 equals 109. 3x equals 99. X equals 33. So now we're going to check it out and see if that works. If x is 33, then the second one would be 36, and the next one would be 40. Okay, so it says the sum of 3 numbers is 109. So add them up, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 3 of them add up to 109. So it looks like it checks out. And that is the end of page 39.